Hi guys, Minerva here. Wanted to show you the finished bottles. My previous video, I worked on this white bottle here, and this one is done. I distressed it a little bit with ink, and as a final sealing, I used Kamar varnish because this one gives it a matte finish and it protects. It's a non-yellowing protection for oil, acrylic, and watercolor. It's acid free and it gives it a nice low sheen and protects it. So that one's done. Then I decided to try other colors with the other ones. I tried this. This one is Shock Seaside Villa Shock Paint. And I wanted to try another a pale yellow, but it was I couldn't bring it back to a nice consistency. It was too thick and seems like it went bad. I hadn't used it, so I used this one. It's Summer Porch. So for these, they recommend this wax finish. So you apply this wax. It's a liquid wax, and you let it dry. I let it dry overnight because it was too sticky. And later, you buff it with a soft, lint-free cloth. They have a special brush for this, I believe. So I just used one of these these little ink packs you use on these. I use one of those to buff it. And it gives it a nice sheen. So that's the yellow one, and I love this color. I'm just buffing the wax. And now all I need to do is distress the bottle like I did the other one. I applied the wax with my fingers all over the bottle and the label. You can see a nice sheen, and you can feel the wax on it. So that's going to protect it from water. So now I'm going to distress it. With the chalk paint, I only gave it, I think, 2 coats after the gesso. My nail file does a better job. It's faster anyway. So it's the same procedure as the other one. You just go distressing it here and there. If you don't want to do this, you can probably do what I did with the other one. Use a, get my brush and a piece of paper. Go ahead and use ink. Oops, purple. use black soot with the other one. So you're going to apply ink on your makeup brush and kind of make sure you don't have too much on the brush, and I was working on this one. Just go very softly here and there. That's another way to distress it. Like I said, these bottles accumulate dust around here, so you can distress that a little more. Distress the label. I think the wax is really creating a resist here. See what I mean? Not to have too much ink. A little bit here. I'm moving the table. So that's it, guys. We would do the same with the other one, and these are the 3 finished products. I like the sheen on this one. It does have a kind of a smell when you first use it, this Kamar varnish. But then it, when it dries, it goes away. I'm trying to get this. So those are the bottles. I hope you try this fun project. And I think, I should have looked it up, but I think if you go to graphicsfairy.com and check to see if these are free, because I'm not sure if these are from it is a project. They have, I don't know if it's the membership on the membership side or if it's free. They have free images there also. So check Graphics Fairy. Or maybe you have some labels you can use. So guys, thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. God bless. Bye.